Hello folks, this is Luciano Mignardi from Stouffville Toyota, located one block north of Stouffville Road on Highway 48. You can't miss us, just look for the big Toyota sign. Today I'm here to introduce you to the 2021 CHR. As you can see, very stylish wheels. Has power folding mirrors when the car locks. At nighttime, you have puddle lamps that will light up your walking area for you. As you can see, this vehicle is very stylish. Comes with full Toyota safety sense, unique handles, and you will see tons of leg room back here. Cup holders in the door for you. As you can see in the back, lots of cargo room. These seats do fold down 60-40. Does have somewhat of a tonneau cover that will cover your goods. Comes standard with both winter and summer mats. There is your backup camera. Very stylish spoiler. Sporty seats. 8-inch touch screen. You have a heated steering wheel, the lane departure alert, dynamic radar cruise control, electronic parking, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. This vehicle is a fully loaded vehicle. The CHR is available in the Blizzard Pearl with a black roof, bronze oxide, magnetic gray metallic, supersonic red with black roof, hot lava with a black roof, Blizzard Pearl, and black sand pearl. Please call me, Stouffville Toyota, 905-642-6688. My direct extension is 231, and my name, Luciano Mignardi. Thank you.